How long has it been since you upgraded your TV? 5 years? Maybe longer? Alright, don't you think it's about time to start considering what a new set could do for you? Well, any of the Sony TVs here would be an upgrade. The Bravia 2 Mark II is in a unique position to give you a lot of bang for your buck. Available in sizes ranging from 43 inches all the way up to an impressive 75 inch, this TV comes with the latest version of Google TV. With personalized spaces tailored to your needs and access to over 10,000 apps and 800 plus free live TV channels, finding your next favorite show could not be any easier. Once you choose something to watch, that is when the magic truly happens. Because with Sony TVs, every detail matters, and that is why it will have the X1 processor. This chip remasters everything you watch, using Sony's exclusive 4K X Reality Pro to upgrade your content, even standard HD content, to near lifelike 4K resolution. Witness images that are clearer, crisper, and more refined. You will also get fantastic color reproduction and support for the best sound formats, like Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, so your next movie night will be unforgettable. Pick up the Bravia 2 Mark II today and discover everything you've been missing out on.